Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka Dubey, and in this video I'm going to give you a lot more upgrades, or I can say updates, that KDP has just launched about the low content books, that what is being removing out and what is being added out and everything else. So I was going through the low content books page, and the few things that I got to see which are new to me, and I would love to make you aware of these things as well. So in my previous video I had told you that KDP is removing ISBN for low content books, right? So if you are creating a low content book such as lined journals, notebooks, logbooks, you will be not be provided ISBN for it. Okay, you are not eligible. Here it is written, although you can use your own ISBN, but KDP is not going to provide you a ISBN for that, and this is not going to affect you if you are panicking up like what is going to happen or whatever else. This is not going to happen. Like, it is cool, like it is not going to harm you at any way, because obviously having a ISBN or not having ISBN in low content book is not going to affect your royalties or whatever. Yes, it is going to affect your royalties a bit. Okay, how? I'm gonna explain in a bit. Okay, but other than that it is not going to affect you. Also, if you have logbooks and notebooks published before with ISBN and you are making some changes to it, it is not going to harm anything else. Okay, so just stay calm. And also I'm going to show you that how this ISBN or no ISBN works in the back end of the KDP. Okay, so you can see here uh, what kind of barcode will appear. So this is just an introduction, that if you use your own ISBN, you can upload a cover with or without a barcode. If you choose the option publish without the ISBN or decide not to provide your own barcode, we will automatically place one on your back cover. So this is just like before, there is no change here, so that's fine. Now next is that we all know that what information can be updated. We have talked about this a lot, so I'm going to skip this part. Now the main thing is this one, like changing your ISBN option. You cannot change your ISBN selection after you have published your book. If you need to change your ISBN selection after publishing your book, you will need to republish your book from your KDP bookshelves and then republishing it. Okay, and the main things here is differences. There are a few differences regarding supported features if you decide to use your own ISBN or publish your low content book without one, which we have included in the below table. So expanded distribution was a criteria which we just check in, and it gives the possibility to sell to libraries and like in the physical term. But now expanded distribution is not supported for low content books regardless of the ISBN option you select. So whether you give your own ISBN or you just publish it without the ISBN, expanded distribution is no longer available. So yes, we are missing some kind of money out there. Also, the next thing, the look inside option is also not available for low content books published without ISBN. So if you would like to activate this feature for your book, we recommend you to buy your own ISBN from Bowalker or through your local ISBN agency. Okay, so look inside option is no longer available, my friends. Now the next thing is transparency codes are no longer available for low content book that was published without an ISBN. If you would like to enable a transparency code for your low content book, you can buy your own ISBN. Same thing. Okay, you can learn about transparency codes and barcodes like here. So if you want to go into this, you can just go ahead and you can learn all those things. So the transparency code is something, if we add a barcode to your cover file, we may add a transparency code to the barcode printed for some orders. This code does not change the barcode dimensions and is visually similar to a QR code. This allows us to create a more engaging experience between you and your readers. If you are using a screen reader, the transparency code is located to the right of the blue upper T of the barcode. If you review your book in a print preview tool before publishing, the barcode will appear without the transparency code. So this transparency code, that the QR code is no longer available, so this is kind of sad. So yeah, if you do not have ISBN, you are losing the look inside option and the transparency codes. But the expanded distribution is not going to affect anyway, because this is not available if you have ISBN or if you do not have ISBN. This is not affected at all. Okay, now next we are going to see how this is going to look inside the uh, dashboard. So this is a new one I have chosen to publish a book. I'm just gonna give you a demo. So let's put something here, and let's put like PD whatever, description D. I'm just taking an example, okay, just to show you how it looks. Just leave it like that, whatever. Choose category. I'm just choosing non-classify. I'm just giving you a demo. So now you can get to see here, does your book classify as any of these types? Choose all that apply. So you have to check this if this is a low content books, journal, notebooks and planners. Here you can see that low content books, it is going to just give you an introduction. So if you have notebooks, you just have to put in here and then no, and save and continue. Okay, I would love to see what is going to give you in the place of ISBN. Okay, so here you can see here in the print ISBN, it is giving me two options: publish without an ISBN. Low content books like notebook, planner, journals and other similar works don't require an ISBN. Earlier we get to see the give me a ISBN option, and we just click it and we were given an ISBN, but now it has been removed. So you just have to select this, and if you have your own ISBN, you have to select this, and then you have to write it. But obviously I do not have it, so publish without an ISBN, and the same thing is there. Okay, there are all the things are same. But now let's get back to the details, and I would love to change the option from the low content books to the gender one. Okay, so let's move from the low content books to the large print book. Okay, so this is if I'm publishing a coloring book, obviously this is not a low content book, so I will remove it. But if you have a low content book and it is a large print book, you can check both. So just choose wisely, choose whatever fits according to your book. So yeah, let's suppose that I have a coloring book and it is obviously not a low content book, so I'm gonna only check this one, and I'm gonna save and continue. So what happens in this case, I would love to know. So okay, in the second part you can see that it is giving a free KDP ISBN, but in previous one it was not giving me any ISBN, right? Now back to the details, and I would love to see if I uncheck both, what will happen. So I just wanted to check all the three criteria: choosing this one, choosing that one, or choosing both. Okay, now let's save and continue, and let's see what happens. So you can see if I am unchecking both of these options, I am still getting to choose a free ISBN. So yeah, that's fine. That means it is not a coloring book, and it is a coloring book, and it is not a large print book. But what happens if I select only this one? I have done it, right? So yeah, I think we have covered the all, like selecting both, unselecting both, selecting this one, and selecting this one, like all the four, right? So you got to see that what options do they provide to us. And if I select both, let's see what happens, because I think I haven't done it. So in that case, obviously we are not going to get ISBN. So yeah, this is what happens now in the KDP dashboard. So I hope I made you clear that how it looks, what it does, what are the new updates that KDP has just launched. And yeah, that's all for the day. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe, like and share on your social media about my channel, and thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.